So here we are, FarmCon. Running away with the camera there. You got anything to say for yourself?
You deserved it, I think.
What do you want?
Did you pay attention to the instructions?
Nope.
How was your tractor driving experience?
My butt hurts.
Hey, what's up? It's DJ. Welcome to FarmCon 25.
Yep.
Marcel!
This has been a really interesting FarmCon, mainly because Lindner's been very, very open. They've been extremely lax. Tractor driving, it was like, yeah, just go out and do whatever you want to do. As far as some other stuff like a tour that we did as well, they didn't care what we filmed. They were just like, yeah, just don't get too close. What? That's insane.
Here we go! That hurts so bad! The seat's bottoming out!
So, DJ, how was your tractor driving experience?
My butt hurts. Did you pay attention to the instructions?
Nope.
That's a clutch,
Okay.
brake, gas. Put your foot on the brake. Now put the lever forward. Now you're good. Okay, that one's going slow. Oh, he's crab walking that one.
He's crab walking, baby. It's mud. Go.
That was great.
Going for a pass.
Death to farmer cop. Oh my god! What was that noise?
I don't know. Just keep going.
Oh my god! No! This video's gonna be beep beep.
All right. How do you turn the four-way flash switch on?
All right, just pull over here.
It's making a buzzy sound in there. I think it's the.
Yeah, it's the seat for...
Ah, okay.
I do think this is only the shuttle to the factory.
Yeah.
The one we passed?
Okay, it's a green one.
What do you want?
Content creators in their natural habitat, passing out T-shirts like a boss. This shirt, to be exact. Well, that is it. It has been a fun time here, but I think it is time to go home. And while I wait, I'm going to bug this guy. Hello. So that is it. Thanks for hanging out with me. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys later. And
I hope you enjoyed this. If you have, please give us a like. Give him a like. If you don't subscribe yet, please do. If you want to leave a comment, feel free. And of course, whatever you should choose to do. Thanks for watching.
I've always wanted him to say that in person.